All right, so I am checking out the seal system. So you could see here, what I did was I cut the Calipari tube off of the evap coil, and I pinched the end right here. Okay, so that's what I did there. And that's the fresh food evap. For the freezer evap, I did the same thing. You could see the Calipari tube here coming in, so that tells me this is the inlet, which is right here. Okay, got it open. And what I was expecting was to get airflow, because I have the system pressurized right now at 100 psi. I was expecting to get airflow out of this side because I got the other side pinched off where I cut. And if the three-way valve is in open position, I'm supposed to be getting air out of this point as well, which I'm not. So that tells me that the three-way valve is not in open full position. Now here I can see, if I cut this off, see I get air coming out of there. Try and pinch it. I'm going to use my other pinch and pliers. So I'm expecting I should be getting the same air. Just adjust it. And I just go and pinch that off. Good. That way that stay close. So I'm supposed to be getting air out of this end as well, but I am not. So that tells me that the three-way valve is in position for fresh food cooling only. So now I have to get it in. Gotta get it in home position. All right, so I'm gonna hook it up to my Newfie and my Smart HQ and see if I'm able to from there. I did try to plug it in and plug it in for let it run for a few minutes and then unplug it, and was hoping that did it, but it did not. So this is a GE refrigerator. If any one of you guys know how to get it into home position mode, hit me up in the comment section. All right.